space in Edmunds Library, Tot Rock. Yay! Okay, I hope everybody is well and healthy. Brilliant. Okay, let's straighten you up again, Anna. There we go. Brilliant. Okay, fantastic. Right, let's get started with our Tot Rock song. Ready? Tot Rock, put on our rock socks. We're feeling fine. Tot Rock, put on your rock socks. Say hello to everyone. We're glad you're here. We're glad you've come. So here we go. Let's say hello. Hello. Right. Brilliant. Okay. Right, we're going to do a bit of counting this morning. Right. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. Can't count this morning. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, oh, I haven't got enough fingers. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids a courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids are waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. Oh no! Should we try it again? All right then, ready? You can count, use your toes. I'm not lifting my toes up, I might fall over backwards. All right, ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids are courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids in waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. All right, well done everybody. Brilliant. Okay, all right. See you all again tomorrow then. All right then. Bye.